have to work hard. Diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-down. If I were a bitty rich, digger-digger-diddle-diddle man, I'd build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen, right in the middle of the town. Fine tin roof with real wooden floors below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show. I'd fill my yard with chicks and turkeys and geese and ducks for the town to see and hear, and talking just as noisily as they can. And each loud quack and cluck and call and honk will land like a trumpet in the ear, as if to say, here lives a wealthy man. If I were a rich man, diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-down, all day long I'd pity-pity-pop. If I were a wealthy man, wouldn't have to work hard. Diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-down. If I were a bitty rich, digger-digger-diddle-diddle man, I'd see my wife, my Goldie, looking like a rich man's wife with a proper double chin, supervising meals to her heart's delight. I see her putting on airs and sweating like a peacock. Boy, what a happy mood she's in, screaming at the servants day and night. If I were rich, I'd have the time that I have to sit in the synagogue and pray, and maybe have a seat by the eastern wall. And I'd discuss the holy books with the learned men 7 hours every day. Ah, that would be the sweetest thing of all. If I were